back to Afternoon Live. If you're looking for a fun and educational way to celebrate Earth Week with the kids, our next guest has a great project using natural ingredients you can find outside. We welcome back science author and illustrator Katherine Roy is back with us. So good to see you and have you again.
Thank you for having me back.
You're super creative. I mean, you're quite the artist. Your books show it as well.
Thank you.
But I mean, you've now incorporated this into Earth Week, right? And what you've done with your art.
Yeah, well, we're making ink today and brushes today using found materials. So I foraged some of these things, all of these things, and we're going to talk about how to make them into a craft. What I love about this is that it's free and accessible to any family to just go out and find their own art materials and then turn it into art.
What ownership, too, to be able to do that and be so proud of your work. So you've made ink, I think we have an example. It takes a while, so we're not going to be able to do the whole thing today.
Yep.
But ink out of walnuts?
Yeah, so you can use walnuts and you forage them and then crack them open like that and then put them into a pot.
Okay.
And then you're going to add water and boil for 30 minutes, an hour. It depends how much walnuts, how much water.
Okay.
And it's going to get real thick.
I was going to say, doesn't the water then dissolve or not?
No, then you strain it out.
Okay.
And then you've got something close to ink. Yep, through a coffee filter and a funnel.
And of course a brown ink with that one.
Yes.
And
so
acorns too, the same thing.
Exactly. So oak and acorn make a really dark ink. I've got it here.
Okay.
And then you can make lots of other colors too, depending on what you forage. So if you've got dandelions or maybe daffodils, you can make a yellow. Turmeric out of your kitchen mixed with alcohol makes a really strong, potent, stainable ink.
Okay.
And then you can even use things like
rubbing
cabbage.
alcohol?
Rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm like, are you putting beer in your turmeric? Okay. Rubbing alcohol.
And then you can use cabbage and make an ink. You can use beets and make an ink. So it's always the same thing. You're going to cut things up, put it in a pot, add water, strain it after you boil it. And then you can add a little bit of gum arabic, which is your favorite word. It makes it more viscous, has more viscosity. If you add a little bit of gum arabic, which you can get at any health food store. Okay. And then you get these great inks. So this is turmeric, walnut, and then you wouldn't guess it, but this is cabbage.
That's cabbage. It's so pretty.
And beet, yeah, so they're all really beautiful.
They
and you
are.
can make all these colors. So what I thought we'd do is make some brushes and then test out the ink.
So brushes as well you can make with your foraging.
Yes.
Okay.
So here are some different materials that I've foraged. We've got lichen, we've got some fir boughs, we've got thistle, and some sort of grass weed. Okay. And then we've got feathers and ferns. I thought we'd jump in. What do you want to do?
And so you use this just as the brush to create.
Exactly, yeah.
I love this, Katherine. This is so creative. Okay, so then you have a stick.
Yep, so get a stick. You want to do those? Feathers?
Sure, I know there's just so much. Okay, I'll go for feather first.
Okay, let's do a couple feathers.
Okay.
And you just put it there, and I've got a strip of electrical tape for you.
Okay, so you just warm up with the stick that you foraged.
Yeah. And then you're just going to
I'll pretend that I foraged. Okay.
You foraged it. Stellar's J nest. Right?
And just this simple tape.
Yep, just electrical tape. I'll do this one, because I haven't tried this one.
This is so cool. I'm wondering what the thistle. I'm sure that would be a really cool brush,
I've got one here already made, so let's play with that.
All the different brushes. This is so fun for the kids. And you did just go out back and find all these different plants and whatnot.
Yeah, and different times of year you're going to find different things, right? So it's going to change depending on the season.
Oh, you're going all the way down. I was like going uber tight. Okay,
that's okay.
All the way down.
Okay, so let's get some paper out.
I like that turmeric. I know that stuff probably stains though.
It stains really badly, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm going to grab some bowls.
Okay.
And let's dip some ink in. We'll go for the acorn ink, which is here. I'm going to pour this out.
And a good brown color.
Good brown color. And then let's do maybe a red. You want to do beets?
Sure.
Okay, let's do beets. Oops, already got stained there.
It's good like red pink.
Yeah.
I've heard this is a good way even during Easter time to dye eggs.
Oh, I've never tried that before.
Beets and such instead of using food coloring.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a natural way to do it.
Okay, you want to go for it?
Sure.
Dive on in.
What should I make?
I don't know. Just try out what kind of marks you make.
Oh. Okay.
Let's see.
This is so cool. I'm doing a heart.
Oh, I love it.
It's simple.
You love Earth Day.
Yay. Oh, yeah. I guess I need some red with that, right?
Ooh, I like how it mixes. Okay, let's see what kind of marks I can get with this one.
I'm grabbing that thistle.
Oh, yeah.
To see.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I need to follow your lead, the artist.
Oh, no, well, I'm just trying out different kind of marks. Let's see what we can get out of this. So that's going to be a real kind of brushy, light one.
Is there anything as far as making it...
Oh, that one doesn't really work.
Well, I'm wondering, though, too, if the debris stays on, if you somehow can use something then to, not like a lacquer, but is there anything as far as setting the paint that you put on it?
Yeah, I bet you could get a spray fixative or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to try the lichen?
I want to try the lichen,
okay, yeah.
And this is so fun for families to try. Let's see, liking it?
Liking it. That's good.
There we go.
Let's do one more here. Maybe this one.
Just really, I just like these out on a countertop.
It's beautiful, aren't they?
The brushes part is so
And this
pretty.
this one I bet's going to hold ink a lot better. You want to try that one?
Oh yeah, I'm going to smooth this out with this.
Okay.
It's so fun. It's such a great Earth Day project to do with your kids. Katherine, thank you.
You're so welcome.
All right, this is for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
She loves Earth Day.
There we go. Oh yeah, I love Earth Day. So fun. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You guys, she's super creative. We're going to have a link to Katherine on our website at KATU.com. Don't go.